Since my consciousness awoke, I have always wondered about the woman I would one day marry. She would be beautiful, of course, but she would also be someone with whom I would share the deepest of love. She would be there for me and I for her. We would be best friends, able to share anything and confide in each other always. She would be the woman of my dreams.
As I sit here on this old bed of mine, I'm all alone. I forgot what it felt like to go to sleep without your warm feel and your bear hug, never letting go.
Today I realise this romanticism, for today I marry my princess, my perfect complement. Although it might be cliché, I want you to know that you complete me. You are the light who shines on the darkest of days, through the thickest of clouds, and the blackest of nights.
The memories of ours are one of a kind, little secrets of yours and mine. Secrets that I often think back on, like the footprints you made on that beach at sunset. The long drive to Melbourne and that slow R&B. The special birthday yoghurt on that cold London night. And waking up that day to a special ring on my finger. I'm glad you made that promise. There is not one day that goes without this thought. I'd be lost without you.
Today we create something beautiful, something that we will introduce our children into, something which we can cherish and develop with our love. I'm so deeply in love with you and I cannot wait for the years which we will apprise together. Most importantly, please enjoy today. Let us celebrate our love and allow our guests in it to revere. Ever since I met you 1,541 days ago, I have waited for this moment. I know it might be hard to believe, but I began to fall in love with you the moment we met. I remember fondly that first smile we shared, the first kiss we shared that night. You lit a spark in my bonfire heart. I'm thankful to say that I'm marrying the only person that I've truly loved, and will continue to love until the day that I die.
So I'll end with a few words. Thank you. You keep me grounded, but you encourage me to fly. You keep me high, but only you can calm me down. You listen to me, but you also leave me speechless. I hate thinking of an alternate life, one where I never met you, because you are perfect to me, flaws and all. Because of you, I've learned of love. And it's the best thing of all. Till the end, and much more after, you're soon to be Mrs. Knowles.